From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big day here on crypto with LALATE with incredible great news as some coins are going the right way. In this recording, we'll go look over the top cryptocurrency picks of 2021 and why some coins are heading in the right direction. It's a Sunday going into a Monday, and usually on Sunday, coins are going down. But some coins, after not much of a run on Saturday, are going up on Sunday. What's going on? We'll be analyzing the market, which is a bear versus bull market. A series of about 4 coins are bull, and the rest are bear. Those bull coins are Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano sporadically, Phantom, and of course Solana. And then the rest in bear territory. But what's happened is that this weekend and this week has not been as usual. Usually, coins give big runs on Saturday after not much of a run on Friday. But Saturday was a lackluster day, to say the least. Coins did not run up, and now on Sunday, they're trying to give a little bit of a run after they didn't appreciate anything on Saturday. Let's go over what coins we're going to be covering in this recording. Everything from beginners to advanced, and bulls versus bears. We'll be looking at, of course, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin now coming back above that resistance level. You'll learn what a resistance level is in this recording and understand where that resistance level is showing us the next move will be. Ethereum, 3,400 turning upward. Solana actually pulling back today. Phantom taking a big fall at the moment. Then Doge falling again. Red, and more red. Polygon down. Aave, Compound going up on Compound, surprisingly. Decentraland falling. Sushi Swap having a brilliant run out of nowhere. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'll explain to you the details. And it's a big day, a lot of fun, a lot of information, and this is Crypto on LA. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, the biggest fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. 400,000 subscribers in 1 year. Next stop, 1 million. I want you part of this family. Hit that subscribe button right now. I cover all the coins. I show you all the buying opportunities, all the price points, all the predictions, all the market indications, and also how to trade as well. So subscribe. Also like the video, 2,000-3,000 likes, and consider becoming a member. Let's go over where we are Sunday into Monday. If you're a longtime viewer, you know what Sunday means. Sunday generally means down, down a lot. We usually have the following trend line. Appreciating starting Friday night, getting higher Saturday morning, highest price point of the whole week by Saturday noontime. Then downturning Saturday afternoon, continue to downturn, devaluing further into Friday until we get to the lowest price point, which is Friday afternoon about 5 p.m., all Pacific Standard Time. Monday, then our second highest price point of the whole week, and then Tuesday, a bloodbath as we fall dramatically. We look forward to that Saturday because it's the highest price point of the whole week. A lot of people look forward to selling on Saturday at that highest price point because it gets very high. And then you usually look forward to buying on Friday, selling on Saturday, buying on Sunday, selling on Monday. But what's going on right now? Very strange indications, because while we did deliver exactly as promised, on Friday to Saturday, the Saturday was not up much. It was relatively tame. Coins are up 1%, 2%, and this is problematic. Why? The basic understanding I always deliver to viewers is you want your up days to be really up because your down days may be very down. You want to be more up on your up days to offset any down on the down days because you only have a certain number of up days. And guess what? We also had a week in which the Wednesday and the Thursday, which are the variable days, which can go any way, went really low. The Wednesday this last week was the bloodbath, and then the Thursday continued to devalue. So you had a bloodbath on Wednesday. Give me a big run on Saturday. You didn't. So it adds up. And then when you look at the 7-day, you realize, we did not get much out of the 7-day run. So let's look at our bull coins first. Why do I put them bull? Because a coin is bull, meaning up. If it is it's appreciated in value over a longer duration than just a few days or a week. Over a month time, the coin has done well. And that includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Phantom, and Cardano sporadically. Now, as we appreciate, we may still be downtrending. And that is what's happening in the last few days with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana and Phantom, I'm going to go over right now. We're going to start first with Bitcoin, which has been not bearish, but not bear coin, but bearish in its trend line. What's at issue? You're looking at a one-day chart on Bitcoin. It is green. Yes, that means it's up. We're on Gemini. My mouse is in the chart, so you're seeing the devaluation of the coin throughout the day and then coming back up. We started the day at 45,700. We got as low as 44,700, and now we're up to 46,000, trying to get above 46,000. Very interesting trend line. What is the issue with Bitcoin? The issue with Bitcoin is these resistance levels. What's a resistance level? Resistance level is one of the most important things for crypto that I have ever recorded from this channel. Unlike stocks, where you have financial analysts or members of the company coming out and giving you financial information day in, day out, with crypto, you don't. With crypto, you don't have the coin owner, the coin heads coming out and saying, this is why the coin's going up in the next few days. You have to look at these resistance levels. And these resistance levels show us, are we going higher or are we going lower? Resistance levels are the following. It's basically a blockade, a wall, that is causing the coin not to go higher than that level or lower than that level. It's like this. 2, 2, 2. I don't want to go above $2. I just keep on hitting this ceiling. I don't want to go higher than $2. Then there's a resistance level on the low end. 1, 1. I don't want to go below 1. I want to hold. I don't go lower. So what are the resistance levels on Bitcoin, and have we broken through them? So the resistance level on Bitcoin on the high end was clearly 50,000. And at the time, earlier this week, I said the resistance level on the low end is $47,000. I always tell you what the low end resistance level is, just as a pre-warner in the event we break through that resistance level. And at the time, I said it's 47,000 and the next one's 44,000. I didn't think at the time, earlier last week, that we were going to drop under 47,000. I really didn't think. I thought we were going to stay in 47 to 50. That resistance level, 47 to 50, 47 to 50. But on Wednesday, last Wednesday, it was a bloodbath. We broke under 47,000. We got into the 46. And it's important at that point to have heard me early in the week saying what the next resistance level is, because you want to know, are we heading to the next one, or have we broken through two resistance levels? No, we had not yet. The next resistance level was 44,000. And we did head to there. So what is the issue with Bitcoin right now? The issue with Bitcoin is it's still staying above the $44,000 threshold. Good news for a bull coin. It's staying above the 44. Now, am I reassessing the threshold on the high end? Not yet. I'm now in a wider trading range. It was 47,000 to 50,000. Now I'm at 44,000 to 50,000. I'm in a higher trading range, which is good for traders, because you can make a lot more money in a wider spread of a range. When you're making these big moves in a day or two, you can do really well. So let's go back into that Bitcoin chart so you understand how this trading range is so important and where you can learn trading range on other coins. So here is Bitcoin. Now you see the one-day chart, but you won't see the trading range unless you look out further. So there you go. Resistance level here, 47,000. Resistance level here, 47,000. That's how I was able to tell viewers earlier this week when the coin was heading to 50,000, heading to 51,000. This is the resistance level. By the way, 47. Remember the low end in case we break through it. And out of nowhere, we broke through it on a Wednesday. Then I had also told you this is the next resistance level, 44. I said, by the way, just know it in case we break through it. Well, guess what? We haven't really broken through it, but we're right at the edge of it. Now, clearly, you don't see anything else on this chart below 44,000. So I need to go out further. What is after 44,000? Well, not a lot. 42,000 would be our next resistance level. If you call this right here resistance level, it doesn't really look like it, but it is. It's a 42. So 42,000 would be our next resistance level on Bitcoin. For now, trading range is widened, 44 to 50. 44 to 50, and am I reassessing down the high end? I'm not just yet, but that is your 7-day chart. We're down, and we're not coming back. Notice how flat this 7-day chart is. It's starting to look bearish, but I'm not calling it a bear coin just yet. Let's look at Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum started the day at 3,400, went as low as 3,200, then came as high as 3,400. So it looks like it's made a big move. It's not. That's the problem of a rectangular chart and a 7-day. It's not a lot of movement in this coin today, which is fine. Now you look at the 7-day chart. That's problematic. It doesn't look good. Let's look out further to understand our resistance levels. So resistance level I had said was I had said on the high end was 4,000. We did not really stay above that resistance level. I said the next resistance level coming down is about 3,400. We are at that edge. Then we look at about a 3,300. With Ethereum, the resistance levels are easy because they're just really $100 increments at the moment. 3,400, then 3,300, then 3,200. So where are we right now? 3,400, 3,200. So we almost broke through that very, very low resistance level, 3,200 today. Thank goodness we didn't for purposes of being a bull coin. We broke through 3,300. We broke through 3,200, but we did not. Wait, excuse me. We broke through 3,300, but we did not break through 3,200. And now we're trying to stay above 3,400. Good news. So again, the resistance levels you want to look at Ethereum, each at $100 increments, 3,400, 3,300, 3,200, 3,100. Let's stay above 3,200 for Ethereum. Let's hope that's the situation. Solana is slightly down. I can't show you on Gemini because it's not a coin you can buy on Gemini, so they don't have a trading chart. But Phantom, here you go. Phantom taking an interesting turn today. This has been a bull coin, and it has run so much that it can give something up. It gave something up on Saturday, though. Let's look at the 7-day chart to see what Phantom is doing. Yeah, so this is a little troubling. Phantom ran from 120 to 170, then back down to 130, then as high as 190. And now Phantom is trying to drift down. It's not hitting that 120 level yet, but it is drifting down. Where is it doing? What is it doing today? It started at 160 and is now trying to get to 150. 10 cents, not a worry to me. I like Phantom on a buy. I like Phantom as a trading coin if it gets lower today and then getting out on the highs of Monday. What would I be looking at? Phantom went to 190. It went to 190 over here. I think you can get 180 for Phantom. So I like buying Phantom a little bit cheaper. How cheap do I want Phantom? This is the 1-day chart. It's gotten to 140. Maybe I buy it at 130. I mean, maybe be cautious. Maybe be hawk and grab it at 130, sell it at 180. That is a 50-cent move on a dollar coin. That's 50% return your money. Watch Phantom. See if it gets really cheap today and then get out on Monday because remember, Tuesday's a bloodbath. And those are your bull coins. There you go, bull coins. So now about our bear coins. Our bear coins, you would expect them to give a run on Saturday. They did not. So are they devaluing on Sunday? Most are. But that sushi swap run is deliciousness right now. So you... if you're wanting to trade, we'll look for the lowest price point for the bear coins this Sunday and get out on Monday because Tuesday's a bloodbath. Now, not so much the case with Doge. Here's Doge. It's just not doing much of anything. It started the day at 25, going to 24. It's staying in this very, very low range. And Doge has not delivered. It eradicated all its beautiful runs of the last few weeks from 31 to now staying into the 20s. This is what Doge does. Doge pre-crash level from the last crash was 31 cents. So it's now below the last crash level again. If you want to look out further, you'll understand how Doge has really done nothing for people for a while. Yeah, you see everything is just sort of down. It was 31 pre-market crash. You see, it's a red chart. It's down now. Over and over. Every chart is red. Can this one be green? No, this one's red as well. So it's not doing a lot for a lot of people. Let's look at Polygon. Polygon has problems, and that the problems are its down days are more severe than its up days are congratulatory. So Polygon got how low today? $1.31. I like Polygon in the $1.20s. I think it will come back to $1.50. But it's struggling. I mean, it's really struggling. I don't see it going to $1.60 again soon because that's where it was $70. I don't see $70. I see Polygon having big problems, like a lot of the altcoins are. You look at these charts. Look, they're all down. They're just red and red and more red. Let's look at Aave, one of the best coins that has done a lot of great stuff for a lot of people. But I've been telling you all week long, I think it's going into the 200. How low did it go today? 320. So it could, if it goes into the 200s, I think it's attractive. I think it's attractive because I think it'll pop back up into the 300s, and then you'll make some money on it. Let's look at how it's done in the last 7 days. It was a 420 coin, and now it's testing the 200s. So that's 200% return your money, but I don't think it's going back to 400. I think it's going back into the 300s, and even a $100 movement on a $300 coin is 30% return your money. Every chart down, every chart down. Let's keep on going. Red, red, there we're green. So here we go. This was when it was a $200 coin. I told people to buy it at 180. They bought it and they sold it at 300. Then I told you to buy it again here and they sold it. Here we're trying to do that retest. So don't think it can't go to 210. It can do that. Let's go to our compound. Compound up for the day. Interesting. Now, not up a lot, but this is a coin that has done so poorly for so long. So the fact that it's up on a Sunday, yeah, look at this chart. This is a $500 coin. The fact that it's giving you $10 off for the day, not much of anything. Down there, down here. You see this trend line? So here's compound. How low can compound go? It can go into the 350s. It can go to 310. It really can. So get ready to get ready to buy because things are going to devalue more. We got Tuesday coming, which could be a bad bloodbath. And here's Decentraland. It went as low as what, 82 cents? It can go to 70 cents because guess what? It was there just a few weeks ago, it was a few days ago. It's still slightly up from that 76 cents, that 70 cents, but it's not a lot up. And next stop could be there. Then we go to Sushi Swap. Wow, now this is the one great story of the day. Look at that run for Sushi Swap. Started the day at $10. It did not get to $9, but got a little bit lower. And now it's heading to $12. That's 20% in a few hours. I love it. I love it. Wow. You know, in a day in which it's Sunday and you're expecting things to just continue to devalue, Sushi Swap is delivering something. Let's go into our split screen and see if there is any glimmering hope across the board. Let's jump into the split screen, which is coinmarketcap.com. And coinmarketcap.com has a third column. Here's coinmarketcap.com. Has a third column that is the 7-day chart. And the 1-day chart, we're going to click that third column first, the first column, the 24-hour chart to see the best performing coin today. Any coin on the major indices or the major platforms that we cover on a regular basis that's up a lot today? No. But there are some coins that are up a lot today. Algorand up 30%, Cosmos up 20%, T-Ron up 20%, Algorand up there 14%. Not familiar names to viewers this channel. KUSAMA's up 9%, which is good. Sushi Swap, there it is, up 7%. Yeah, but it was up more. It depends on which chart you're using. Sushi Swap's up more than 7%. And after that, Synthetic's up 3%. So not a lot, but it's Sunday. I mean, coins are not supposed to be up on Sunday. Let's see the worst performing coin for the day, because today is supposed to be a down day. It's Sunday. Phantom down 10%. Solana down 5%. And that's it. Those are the worst performing coins. So coins are not down a lot today, which is reassuring. Mina down 3%, which is reassuring. The down day is not that down, which is good. You don't want the down day to be that down. Unless you're hoping for buying opportunity, then you want things to be down a lot. Let's look at the 7-day. What are the best performing coins of the last 7 days? Algorand, 80%, Algorand, Harmony, Cosmos, not coins on the major platforms. There's Solana, up 30% for the 7-day. Mina, up 27% for the 7-day. Phantom, up 23%, just what you expect. What are the worst performing coins over the last 7 days? Ravane, Holo, EOS, Maker, a lot of 20% down coins. Wow. So what am I looking for then going into the new week? I'm watching my thresholds on Bitcoin. Why? Bitcoin has shown us that the way you watch coins is to the way altcoin owners watch the market is by looking at the falls of Bitcoin, Ethereum. Bitcoin, Ethereum, strangely enough, over the last 4 weeks, when they go up, do not pull the altcoins up with them. But when Bitcoin, Ethereum go down, they do pull the altcoins down with them. So you want to know those thresholds on the low end for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if any of those are broken, then your altcoins are going to go cheaper, which if you want to buy the altcoin, then that will be an indicator that your opportunity to buy may be coming. Bitcoin thresholds, again, 44,000, then 42,000. Ethereum, they're very easy. It's just increments of $100, 3,200, 3,100, increments slowly and timely. Meantime, remember that Sunday is your opportunity usually to trade. Let's go over the trading opportunities right now. We have day trading and we have flipping. I haven't covered them the last few days, so I'm going to do them right now. They both have the same approach, but ironically, crypto has not been that volatile lately, so you may not have seen these opportunities manifest themselves. Trading as day trading is when the market is up or when it's down. Flipping is when the whole market is up. And that event has not happened in a while. So day trading is the following. You're going to look for a coin that's up about 17 or 18% for the day, and you're going to look at the chart and say, can I get another 20% up for that coin? If you do, then you want to come into the coin. You want to hold the coin until it rides up another 20% for the day, and then get ready to get out. If it's still up, you stay in. If it's still up, you stay in. If it downturns, then you get out and get that 20% return. If it's still up after 20%, it's still running and running and running, and you approach a day and a half and it's still up, stay in it, roll it into a flipping opportunity. Stay in the coin until it continues to run up. Now, the day trade, the flipping opportunity not manifesting itself lately. It's where the whole market is up, and that's where you're in the position for up to 3 days. By the second day, be careful because the tanking may fall. As soon as the tanking falls, it gets out. Either opportunity, when you're trading, you have to be on that phone. You have to watch that phone. You have to watch that computer. You can't be gone for 2-3 days, because once the turn turns, it happens. For example, on the flipping opportunity, if you're in there for 3 days, that opportunity may end after 2 days, and you have to be able to get out, because once it falls very abruptly. Again, of the opportunities, I don't see I don't see flipping happening anytime soon, unless it's like a Monday, because we have not had a day where most of the coins are up and up enough. Number two, for flipping, which is day trading, for our day trading opportunity, we haven't seen coins that are on the major indices going up 18%. So when I say look for a coin that's up 18% for the day, we haven't seen a lot of coins like that. The rare exceptions have been Phantom and Solana. Every other coin that is up more than 18% has been these other exchanges that are overseas, that are very hard to manipulate. So our opportunities for trading have been slim lately. You may get those opportunities on Monday. Meantime, for buying and holding, I would not be buying any altcoin to hold. I'd say it's a bear market. I've been saying it for 4 or 5, no, almost 8 weeks now. Not a market to buy and hold. So, for example, don't buy Doge to hold. Don't buy Polygon to hold. Meaning, if you don't own it, don't buy it now to hold. It's going to devalue you. Would I buy Ethereum, Bitcoin right now? No. I would not buy them either. Would I buy Phantom? Yeah, I would buy Phantom on a dip. I'd buy Solana on a dip. That dip hasn't happened yet. And what are my price targets? Well, everyone thinks that Ethereum is going to go to 10,000. Everyone thinks that Bitcoin is going to go to 100,000. Not this summer. Maybe in the winter. We have been in a long run now of bearish activities, and I really do think that until it hits very severe and strong and sort of cleans out everything, then this sort of bearish confusion of the bear coins may continue. We are clearly bear for a lot of these altcoins, but as they give a few days up or a week up, then people think that it's a great time. It's not. They're devaluing. You got to look out further on the charts. Join me 2 times a day. We have a show on mornings at 10 a.m. live on air, and evenings starting at 3:45 and running for about 12 hours. 2 live shows per day. Meantime, if you haven't signed up for those LA alerts, you need to do so. Totally free. It's at news.la.com. Put your name and email address in there, and you'll get an alert when a new video goes live about crypto. Those alerts land directly in your email account. It's totally free. Watch for the confirmation email. It may be in the spam folder, or it may be in the promotions folder from Gmail. Make sure you subscribe as well. Fastest growing cryptocurrency channel there is. I want you part of this incredible channel as it expands its coverage of other investment opportunities for you across the board in the next few days. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. And with that, I hope you have a great day. A lot of trading opportunities across the board. Join me all this week as we watch what happens on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, because it's going to be a lot of fun. So subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, YouTube record. Next stop, 1 million. Like the video. Have a beautiful day and stay